Hello and welcome, student. Okay, today's first topic is sorting data within a field. First of all, sorting means arranging data either in ascending or either in descending order. Okay, if you will arrange data either in ascending, either in descending order, in alphabetically or numerically, so it is called sorting. Okay, now here we will arrange data or we will do sorting in a particular field. Okay, in a particular field, if we want to sort the data, how we will sort it? Suppose if I want to sort data or sort the data of student according to the class, means smallest class is smaller class will come first, then it will move on to higher class. Suppose all third student will come first, then fourth student, then sixth, and then seventh. Okay, so how we will do it? First we will select the column. So how we will select the column? You have to click on field heading. This is field heading, class is field heading. You have to click on field heading. Either you can right click here, or either you will click on this drop down arrow. Okay, click on this drop down arrow. It will show you how you want to arrange the data from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Okay, so suppose I want to arrange the data from smallest to largest, so I will click on smallest to largest. So see, all third class student come in first three line, then fourth, then sixth, then seven. Like this it will arrange the data. Okay, now if I want to arrange this name column, so how we will do it? So first we will select the column, then click on this drop down arrow. Now it is sorting in alphabetical order, means if you want to sort from A to Z or Z to A, I want to arrange the data from A to Z. Click on A to Z. So all student name start with A. It come first, then after that according to the alphabet it will come. Okay, like this you can sort the data. Okay, now if you want to remove the sort which you have sorted earlier, if you want to remove this, that you don't want now, you want your data in original form, how you will do? First I will select this cell, then click at third, clear all sort. In home tab there is one group sort and filter. In third number it is given clear all sort. So when I will click on it, it will clear all the sorting data which I have sorted, so in class and in name also. Now next topic is filtering in a data sheet. First of all, filter means like no, like you if you know normal filter means to remove the dirt or to remove or to collect a particular thing or remove the unwanted thing. In the same way, if you want to remove unwanted data, if you want to see only if you don't want to see unwanted data, suppose I want to see only data of student name start with A. If I want the data of student name start with A, so I can filter the data with the help of filter. I can remove other one and I can see only the student name start with A. I can see the data of only those students. So how we will do it? Okay, suppose I will select. If you want to filter according to the roll number, you can filter according to the roll number. According to the class also you can filter. If I want the data of only student of class third, so I will deselect remaining other one and I will select only third one. Okay, class third, only class third data I want. This is okay. Again you have to click on drop down arrow, there is number filter. So filter is there, you will deselect which you do not want. Okay, I want the data of only student of third class, so remain that tick in third class, then click OK. So it will show the data of student of only third class. If you want to remove the the filter you applied, if you want to remove that filter, so how you will do? You will click on toggle filter again. Okay, so it will remove and it will come in original form. If you want to filter the data according to the name, so if I want the data of student name start with A only, so these four are starting with A, so I will deselect other one and click OK. So it will show the data of only student starting with A. Okay, now next topic is advanced filter in a data sheet. if you do not want to select particular name or particular class in a filter, what you will do? So advanced filter means you can select a particular data with only one click. How? Click on this number filter, or in name it will show the alphabet filter or text filter. Okay, click on the number filter, then it will show some option. So options are equals, do not equal, less than, greater than, and between. So if I will click equals, so class is equal to means it is showing of which class data you want after filtering which class data of which class you want. Suppose I want the data of class 6th only. Okay, student of class 6th only. So if I will click in equal 6 and click OK, so it will show the data of class 6th only. Okay, now again if I will click on does not equal to, if I do not want the data of class 7 and remaining I want, so I will click on class 7th and click OK. So it will not show the data of class 7th only, and remaining it will show the data. Okay, if I want data between, if I want the data of from class 3rd to 6th, if I want the data of class between class 3rd to 6th, so which data it will show? See here, it will show the data of class 4th, 6th, 4th, 3rd. Okay, between 3 to 6 means 3 will also come, class 3 will also come, and class 6th will also come, and in between there is class 4 is also there. So class 7th is removed from here. Okay, like this you can do advanced filter.